doing it for the vlog. I know I ain't been on my channel in a long time, but what's up, y'all? It's my girlfriend, Haley.
Hi.
She doesn't like the camera. She's shy. We about to go out to breakfast. Where we going?
I don't know.
Where we going?
I don't know.
You're not gonna tell them where we going?
I don't know where we're going. You didn't even tell me.
I did tell her where we're going, because she wanted to go there for the longest. It's gonna be a surprise. She just mad because I got style.
No, he doesn't. Sometimes.
I always got style.
Sometimes.
She just praying on my downfall. Oh, y'all was praying on my downfall.
Now the listeners are left out. You
I hope you know the door been unlocked forever.
No, it hasn't.
Look at the text you just sent. Says, Eric,
So I forgot my phone in the thing, and Haley went to go get it, and we decided to go to Big Boys.
She said you had it.
I don't got it. I seen it in your hands.
I don't have it.
I seen it in your hands.
You have it.
I seen it in your hands. There we go. Chill. What? Guess what?
Wait, no.
Eat a lot anyway.
So he's mad because Big Boy didn't have the biscuits like I wanted. So we're going somewhere else. And he wants to throw a fit.
I'm not throwing a fit.
Yes, you are.
I'm not throwing a fit.
Okay.
She doesn't eat a lot. She doesn't eat a lot. Go ahead. Stare at me if you want. Stare at me. So Big Boys was a no. So we going to the original House of Pancake. I always heard good things about this place.
You've never been?
Never been. You been though, cause you're rich. You're rich.
No, I haven't.
You're rich though.
Broke.
She's not broke. She got a 2015 Mercedes. It's a lot of people sitting. It's full as F in here, isn't it? My seat is like completely wet. I want to sit on that. No, you sit. Okay, whatever.
Which girl is it?
The history of the original pancake house. The food just got here. It's delicious. First time at the pancake house. How was the breakfast?
It was very nice. What did I have? French toast. It was fluffy.
That's it?
Yeah.
It was very
very
nice, and the French
sensational.
toast was fluffy. It was amazing. A1 epic. It costed me $50 for that breakfast.
21. He lies.
It costed me $50 for that breakfast. About to go see if I can get some ink. I'm thinking about getting adventure tatted on my sleeve, like a small one. Adventure, period. Probably a cross. Yo, Zoe in the building. Yo. The whole team, the whole crew.
Oh, dude. It ain't the same though.
So I'm in Jimmy John's with my old friends, and Haley is in the back getting an interview. So hopefully she get the job. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know. Yes, Haley, that's Sprite. How did your interview go? Okay. You about to get the job?